Hello everyone, Zane with you, and today we'll show you how to open a bank account in UK for international students. Okay, now the first thing you should do is simply go and open your browser, then search for HSBC. Then you want to go and select the first option, and here you are, or you can simply go to the link that I'll leave down below in the description. When you click on the link down below in the description, here you can see this student bank account form. You will have to click on how to apply, then it will redirect you to this part of the page. You just need to read all these things and understand them well. And you just have to scroll down more, then click on apply now. Once you click on apply now, here it will tell you how to be eligible. You are aged 18 years or above. You are currently live in the UK and have been living in the UK, Channel Islands, or Isle of Man for at least 3 years. You just have to click on confirm and continue. Then you'll have to provide your email address, title, first name, family name. You'll have to answer these questions, enter your gender, date of birth, place of birth, nationality. If you have another nationality, you can add it right here. Marital status, the number of dependent children if you have, and the UCAS. Then after that, you hit the continue and you just have to follow the prompt. So now after you fill in the first section, here it will redirect you to this section. Now you will have to enter your phone number, then add your another phone number if you have one, find your address, then enter the residential status. You are living with a parent, for example. And when did you move this address? Then hit the continue. And now it will ask you for the study details, university, the university that you have it on. So then you will have to select the year, the course and date, the income, the annual income from other sources, and the tax residency. Where are you resident for tax purposes, UK or UK and other just jurisdictions or non-UK jurisdictions, and so on. Then hit the continue. And now you'll have to add what is the main reason for opening the account. Just say personal expenses or any other cause or any other reason, I mean. Then you want to hit, do you have an non-HSBC credit cards in the UK? Here, my case, I do not have. How will you make your first payment into this account? I will choose cash. And here, source of first payment into your account will be my salary. Then I'm going to click on the continue. And now we can review all the details as you can see. And after reviewing all the details, just hit the submit and you're all done. And that's all for today's video. If you find it helpful, please support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thank you for watching and goodbye.